Hi there, Alex. This is Mrs. Sheen. I'm making this video for you because you emailed your first essay to me, and I don't want you to email it to me. I want you to submit it following the directions on Blackboard. So I'm going to show you specifically where the directions are. And then after this, I'm expecting you to be able to take the responsibility to do this in the future, okay? So the first thing you always need to do is after every class, okay, you need to go over here in Blackboard to assignments. Okay, this part, assignments. By the way, I'm assuming you know how to get here into Blackboard. So if you don't, please talk to me tomorrow and I will show you how to do it because the semester is going by quickly and it's really important. Okay, so every day after class, you want to go here to assignments, all right? And you open up assignments and you will always see the newest assignment is at the top. For example, this one, homework due 2/28, that's tomorrow. That means these items you need to complete before class tomorrow, okay? Now, the assignment that you emailed me is the second draft of Essay 1. That was actually due on the 19th. So I'm going to scroll back here to the 19th and I see it says write a second draft of your narrative essay and it tells you what to focus on, content only. And there are steps here. It says type your second draft and save it as a file on your computer. But you don't stop there. You need to keep reading the instructions. Go to Essays in the course menu and submit the file as an attachment. Print the essay. Staple the printed essay to your first draft and any planning pages, and then give it to Mrs. Sheen. Okay, now you need to follow all of these steps for the draft. Okay, now what should you do? Well, this part about go to Essays in the course menu and submit the file as an attachment, let me show you where that is. You're going to look over here on the left side in the menu, and under Assignments, you see Essays, okay? You will click there, and if you were to scroll down, you'll see there's two. There's the Narrative Essay Final Draft and the Narrative Essay Draft 2. Well, the final draft is due tomorrow, but you are not at that step yet. You are still back here at the narrative essay draft 2. Okay, so it tells you what to do. Okay, it says you need to, and it's the same instructions basically that I just gave you, but with a little more detail. It says type your essay as a document, okay, and attach it below. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Print a copy, staple it to the first draft, bring it to Mrs. Sheen. Okay, these are the directions for when you type. All the things that you need to have in it. I'm not going to go through each step because I know you can read that. But let me show you how do you do this. It says attach it below. Well, what you actually need to do is click right here where it says Narrative Essay Draft 2. You click on that link itself. Okay, and you get to this submission page and you need to scroll down and it tells you how many points it's worth and it tells you when it was due and it tells you how to submit it, what to do. And basically you scroll down here and you go to where it says attach files. Okay. And you will click on browse my computer, right? When you click on browse my computer, it takes you to your computer files. Okay. You choose the correct file, click open, and then you will see it appear down here. Do you see it? Okay, once you see that it's attached, then you come down here and you hit the submit button, this blue button. Then it is submitted through Blackboard. Oh, you also need to click this I agree part. Okay, so you click submit and then it goes into Blackboard and I can see it then. Okay, but notice again, there's two things you have to do. you're submitting on Blackboard, but you're also submitting a printed copy to me. All right. So it's very, very important that you are checking Blackboard on a regular basis. Okay. Which what I recommend is we have class on Tuesday, Thursday. I recommend that you check this site, especially where it says assignments. I recommend that you check it on Wednesday and Friday. You could even do it Tuesday and Thursday after class, but sometime very soon after class, you need to check it so you know what you need to do to prepare for the next class and you know exactly how to submit things for me. Okay? So, another key thing to look at is my grades. And I need to make a link for that, looks like. I will talk about that in class tomorrow. Okay, so have a great day. I hope this helps you. Please submit, instead of sending your file to me by email, please submit it in Blackboard the way I showed you. Just go to Essays. Okay, remember, don't submit it as the final draft because it's not the final draft, it's the second draft. So you need to scroll down to draft 2, okay, and follow the directions. All right, I hope that helps you. Remember that I have an office hour before class, so I will be in my office for 1 hour before our class. So if you need any help, have any questions, you can come and talk to me there. Thank you so much, Alex. See you tomorrow.